While the ability to create tables directly in PowerPoint is great, why reinvent the wheel when 99% of the time you'll probably be pulling data directly from an Excel file you already have? So we can actually paste that table right into PowerPoint. Now the first thing I'm going to do is get ready for it by creating a new slide. I'll do title only. So in our assets folder, we do have an Excel file ready to go. It's the results of a vote we took a while back to choose the next color for our products. So I'll call this new color vote results. Now we'll go into our assets folder and open up that Excel file. So what I'm going to do now is click and drag and select the data that I want to put into my PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to click and drag and select it and then right click and choose copy. Now that it's copied, I'll go back to my PowerPoint presentation and I'm going to right click in the slide. Now I have a couple of options here that I can choose. So I can paste it and use destination styles. What this does is it's going to paste my Excel file as a PowerPoint table itself. And if I use the destination styles, that means it's going to try to keep all the colors to the same PowerPoint theme that I'm currently using. Now keep source formatting, and you'll notice that when I hover over these, the choices change in the background so I can see exactly what it's going to look like. Keep source formatting is going to paste it again as a PowerPoint table, but this time it's going to keep the way it looked exactly in the Excel file, so I won't get any theme colors. Embed will paste it as an actual Excel file, so I can edit the cells directly. It's going to open up a little mini copy of Excel right in PowerPoint. Now there's a couple of things you have to know about this. The first one is that it will adversely affect the file size of your presentation, mainly because we're dumping an actual Excel file right into PowerPoint. The other thing is, it's fine if you're showing this on screen, but if you're going to be emailing this or sending this presentation to anybody else, it's actually sending and packaging up your entire Excel file. So if you only copied a select amount of data from that file, just know that anybody who opens this up in PowerPoint will have access to that entire Excel file's worth of data. Now, Picture is going to actually dump in that Excel file, but just as a copy of a picture. That means that we have all the formatting options that we would as a picture, but the downside to that is we won't get to edit any of the data in place later if we have to. Keep text only means that it's going to paste in just the text and that's it. It's up to me to apply any tables and formatting. I'm going to paste it in as a picture because I think it gives me the best choice between options of how it's going to look and all the things that I can do with it after. And I don't really need to edit it in place once it's in PowerPoint. So I'm going to select picture, and now that it's in here, I can actually stretch it just like I could any other picture, and I can actually add some formatting to it. So I'm going to go to my Format tab, and here's the picture styles. Now we've seen this time and time again throughout the presentation, and it looks really cool when you're actually looking at a table. Here's one that's pre-built. I can select that one, and I can do other things to it if I want to, like take out the border completely. I can add a reflection or a shadow if I want. And I can still stretch it even more because there's a lot more slide to take up. So that's looking pretty good considering it was only a table that resided in Excel just a few minutes ago. Now it's in our PowerPoint presentation and it looks fantastic.